Welcome everyone to the Turner Middle School Chess Club Google Classroom, and so I'm going to show you how to navigate the site. So this is the Chess Club homepage. At the top you'll see a tab for classwork. That's where you'll usually go at the beginning. Boom, right there. And you'll see a category for information and links with a chess syllabus and chess links right here. So if you want to know our syllabus, it's right here. Down here, there's your first assignment is to introduce yourself in Flipgrid. This video right here will be down here in the how to navigate the classroom. And then each week you have your lessons right here. So if you see the little clipboard, that's going to be your lesson, and the little speaking bubble with the question mark, that's going to be your discussion for the day. So for example, lesson 1, you have your goals right there. You're to set up your chess.com account and to watch the first 8 videos on how to move pieces, and then do the questions there, and then you're to post it underneath it. And then there is a discussion question, which is, who is the best chess player you know? You are to answer that and respond to at least 2 other people's comments, and be very, very kind when you are responding. If you disagree, that's okay. Just make sure that you are respectful when you do that. Okay, so each week you'll come back and you'll do the lessons. Sometimes you'll see more than 2, like in lesson 7, where you have an extra assignment of actually playing a live match versus a computer, and then you have to play against a human in lesson 8, and then play against a chess club member in lesson 9, and then in lesson 10 you'll do the same thing, play a chess club member. We may even have a tournament if it's possible at some point on chess.com as well. Alright, so we thank you. If you have any questions, you can just send me a message through Google Classrooms. You should see that on the right side of your screen. Unfortunately, I can't show you how you see the website because Google Classroom doesn't have that feature yet, but hopefully they will soon.